Good morning and happy Friday, Scots. I'm Regina.
And I'm Amaya. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Now let's dive into this week's announcements.
Are you a senior and want to go to grad night this May? This year's grad night is at Six Flags Magic Mountain and the ticket price is $135. You must have a signed permission slip to purchase a ticket at the finance office and your school ID. Permission slips are available in the activities and athletics office. Get your tickets now.
Juniors, have you decided to take the SAT in March? Then get your payments into the finance office or go talk to Ms. Uvera in the Career Center if you qualify for a free test. Your name must be on the list to get the test order. Today is your last day to sign up. Stop by during lunch.
Did you know Highland offers shirts for sale at the student store? Show your plaid pride with some of our most popular designs with a variety of styles to choose from. There's something for everyone. Don't miss out. Stop by the student store today and grab your Highland shirt.
And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
Mr. Whitfield, even the teachers, man. Get out of the elevator. Oh man. And oh, still got it.
Hello Scots, today I want to remind you that we're going to have a baile for the Club Listos. If you don't know what baile means, it's a dance. Please come and have fun. If you want your partner to come, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or maybe also your crush, please come and have fun.
Welcome back, Scots.
We're excited to share some incredible news about our freshman robotics team.
After excelling in the County League and advancing through the Central California Regional Championships, they've earned a spot in the California State Robotics Championship.
This achievement also marks an impressive milestone, 11 consecutive years of Highland qualifying for the State Robotics Championships.
This speaks volumes about the dedication and passion of these students.
Now let's go with sports. Listen up, Scots.
Welcome to sports. I'm Julian Medina.
Hey Scots, I'm Raquel.
Let's dive into some sports announcements. Swim season kicks off on Monday, February 3rd at 5 p.m. at the Bakersfield College Pool.
Make sure to see Coach Prosser in room 4PI to give him your suit size as soon as possible.
Suits need to be ordered soon, and there won't be extras in every size.
Don't miss out on getting your 2025 team suit.
Here's a quick update on winter sports.
Girls and boys soccer are in the middle of league play, so if you get a chance, head out to their games and cheer them on.
The same goes for our girls and boys basketball teams here at Highland. Let's show them some love. Go Scots!
Also, we've got a rally today during third period, so get ready to bring the hype and show off your school spirit.
That's all for today.
Peace out.
Did you know that Got the Dot Club is hosting an Outback drive-thru?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you could purchase a ticket for $20 that contains a 4.5-ounce sirloin, 5-ounce chicken breast, and a Caesar salad with mashed potatoes.
Where do I get it?
You can pick the food up on February 4th from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Outback at 5051 Stockdale Highway.
Okay, I'll remember that.
I want one too!
Hey, where's mine at?
Hold on, everyone could get one. The last day to buy the tickets are January 31st. Reach out Mr. Matney in room 6F or contact us at HHS Got the Dot. Thank you for your support.
Go get what you want.
You're welcome.
That's it for today.
And always remember to
Flat up.
Jonah.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, look what I found in the library. So, supposedly a treasure here? What?
Treasure.
Yes. Look what it says.
Are you serious?
Jonah, like, I'm being for real.
What? It's just.
I'm being for real.
I don't. Okay, well, I don't know about that.
It says hidden treasure found here.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm being for real, though.
Did you sleep?
Yes.
Too much tennis?
What? No, I'm being for real. There's probably treasure here.
Yeah. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes.
You want to go to the nurse?
No, I don't need to go to the nurse, but come on now.
Are you sure? I could take you to the nurse.
No, I don't need to go to the nurse. I'm like being.
See, I'll go get
No,
her.
I don't need to go to. I don't. And yet, I believed he passed algebra.